Pay attention. Listen to what I'm doing and watch me. Now, precision will keep the paper airplane flying. But it starts in the beginning. You'll do it now. Alright.
This was difficult.
Yeah, once you've got your piece of paper, fold it in half. I'm assuming it's vertically, not horizontally, vertical. Please. Alright, make sure it's precise.
Okay. Mine is very precise. It's even more precise than yours.
Okay, it needs to be perfect.
It is perfect.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright, there you go. If you I'm really good at this, I use a flat surface to fold up. So find a flat surface if you're struggling. Alright, and once you've done that, cupcakes, then you're going to make a little house. Okay, you're going to fold in from the corners. I see some of you need this, particularly Jolene. Alright.
From the corners!
Yeah, use your flat surface.
From all of them.
No, just the top, alright, flat surface. Alright, another one, other side. You're making a little house.
The other side.
Yeah. Yes.
This is a very nice airplane.
It's a house.
You're very good at this.
I know. Alright, so now we have a little house.
A double
We make it in this way so you remember the steps that you're following.
So the steps up to the double story.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Alright, now the next thing you do is fold it again. From the corner.
From the corner?
So, yeah, that one.
Okay.
Use your flat surface. Maybe you need a flatter surface. Very good, cupcakes. Alright, the other side. Now it's a TP! Huh?
Wow!
Alright, then when you've done that, we're just going to fold it back up together again.
Up again.
Up again. Yeah, fold it up again, yeah. Alright. Now all we have to do is fold out the wings.
The wings.
Yes, here, play
Four of them.
Four. No, they are not four.
Mine is falling.
For this stage in the folding, hold the wings out.
Yeah.
Ow, ow, ow. Ear drum. Alright. Right here on the edge. Look at that. Stand back. Okay. Alright, there we go. You're very enthusiastic. You're my best pupil ever. I hope. Alright, there you go. Wings out.
I'm going to be the next champion. I'm going to be the next champion.
I certainly hope you don't turn into a piece of processed potato. Okay, next. Scissors. I always keep my Swiss Army knife for this.
You're not supposed to even play with scissors because it's very dangerous.
Yes, I'm actually using them. Alright, so we cut.
Wow.
Your turn. Be careful. Pop it up. Line it up. Now this is a vertical stabilizer. That's what the technical name for it. Some of us call it a tape. No. Where's your airplane?
It's here.
We'll pick it up. Sorry, guys. Alright, there we go. No. Alright. Now. Cupcakes.
Don't look at it because it's a surprise for you because you're going to be so proud of me.
I am proud of you because you know what? You've got what it takes to make this paper airplane. I'm really proud of you even though you haven't even finished. I think.
You are because you don't even know it, so you are.
Alright, let's go. Let's test because if it's a paper airplane it flies. Am I correct?
Yes.
3.
Okay, wait! I'm going to get the run up, okay?
Alright.
Okay.
I'm going to get you up close.
Okay.
Alright. 3.
Okay, boss!
Get set.
Get set!
You can go first. I'll go to 3, 2, 1.
Go! Go!
I got under it. This is wrong!
I beat you!
No, you beat it in another area. If this was a competition about how to mess up a piece of paper, you won. That is not right. trying again. Like what Pastor Cornelius said, you try to fly and you don't fly so perfectly, we try again. And because, you know, we are good at learning. Humans are good at learning. Even Cupcakes. Well, let's work on that. Now listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully now.